Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Selling. Today I will share with you about the app from where you can get followers and likes for your TikTok. If you are worried that how you can get the followers and also the likes on your video, this app will be a grateful use for you. It's an opportunity, but this video is for education purpose and do your own research before investing in it. So if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. So now I will share with you, I am at Google Play Store. You can go and check TT Boost here. I will give that link in my video description, and even though I will share it with you on that how you can search. So in search option you have to write TT Boost. As you can see, TT Boost is given here. You have to install that. At that time it's installing, but I will share with you their reviews. Their reviews is given like it have 4.4 reviews, like 34,831 reviews people are giving it, and you can see their downloads and also the reviews here. So as it will download, I will share with you the further details about it. So after downloading, you can see such type of given. You have to open that. TT Boost is more here. It will boost your profiles and also boost your video. It will help you to boost your account to gain the real fans and also the followers. So I will share in that platform that how you can do that. I will do everything in front of you, and there is a two step to use that platform, that app, which is number one, you can earn coins by interacting with others, and you can use that coins to like promote your profile or videos, or you can even purchase the coins to reach more users. So if you don't want to interact with other users contact, no issue, you can go and purchase coins to reach more users on it, and you can get on it too. So I will share all the details. First of all, you have to create your TikTok account on it. So furthermore, you need username for TikTok account of your TikTok account, and you have to paste that username here. But there is one criteria, that your profile must be public for working on it, for getting followers, for getting likes on it. So now I will just go to my TikTok account, copy my username. So you can see here it's my TikTok account name is given here, Crypto Selling. I copied my username from here, and I will go back to TT Boost app and share with you. You can see after that you have to paste your username here, as you have to copy or paste it here, and you have to click to the continue button. So after that they will ask for some notifications. So you can see they are giving me congrats that I get 100 coins as the welcome bonus. So if you are going and working on it, connecting your TikTok, you can also get that. You can even see you can earn rewards by completing rewards, like you can earn in the coins. You can see at the above right corner, you can see I have here the coins which are showing here, which is 100. You can see already I have. So if I complete that task, which is to follow that person, I will get 5 more coins. So I will click on it. You can see in that way it will goes and switch to the TT like means a TT Boost to the TT account. You have to follow it and come back to it. So now I come back to TT Boost here. So you can see after that it's completed, and I received successfully 5 coins, which is given on the right top, you can see. And furthermore, you can follow more or you can skip it. I skipped the last one, and now I will follow it again. So it is going on. You can easily be able to follow it, and my second following is also completed. So if I come back, you can see here, if I go to the home page, you can see now I have get 5 more coins. Now totally I have 110 coins. You can even go to store and see the profile that you can go for it. You can even invite your friends here, and on inviting you can get 200 coins per person. The more you invite, the more you will be able to get. So must share your link with your family, friends, social media, so that more people get to know about the TT Boost app, and the more people will get to know, the more will join, and after the joining you will get 200 coins here. So you can use that coin in the profile, like you can even use that for the followers. You can even purchase that followers. The discount is given. This is the opportunity for you to get it here. You can see the followers are given here. You can get these followers like 10 followers in 100 coins, and you can have to promote that. I gave it here, so you can see it is deducted from here, but for that you have to must make your account public. So you can see it here. So if I show you in the orders option, you can see it is in progress. So after that completed, I have to show it to you further. But you can see on my crypto selling TikTok account I have 0 followers yet. So in that way you can get it. So it will take a little bit time, so we have to wait or scroll it again. So I scroll it and you can see I get 3 followers on it. So I'm scrolling it again, so I will get more. So now I will go back to my TT Boost and share with you the progress. So I will just go back and refresh that so that it will be shown here. So you can see now it is 25% in progress as I get 3 TikTok followers here. So I will just scroll it again and again so that I can get, you can see now it is 91% complete. So if I came back to my TikTok account here, you can see I have 10 followers here. You can also get that. You can even see your new followers from here. I am sharing it with you so that you can easily think on it or go for it, and I'm sharing the proof that I get on it too. So in that way you can get on it, you can work for it, you can even skip the task or you can complete the task. It's all about that. So even though you cannot just get the followers from here, you can even go and you can get the video likes from here too. You can even purchase that coins, or you can even purchase that followers from here, sorry, likes from here, or you can even purchase the likes from the coins too. As I have now 10 coins, the more I interact, the more I will get the coins. It is all about that project. I will share their link in my video description, so must go and join. Thank you so much for watching.